How to publish Canva designs to Instagram. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Canva app on a device and make sure that you are signed into your Canva account. Once inside the Canva app, select or create your Instagram post or stories design. As you can see, my design is all ready. You can use the built-in template sized for Instagram. Then once done so, all you have to do is tap on the share icon available or share button available at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the more option available there. Then scroll down and tap on the Instagram. Then it will start preparing the post for your Instagram. You can simply tap on the open to open the Instagram and choose one, whether you want story, reel or message. I tapped on the post, then tap on the next option available there, put up the caption, then simply tap on the done or export option available there and post it to your Instagram. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.